Welcome, fellow space adventurers, Star Wars fans, and art enthusiasts, to our 4th annual May the 4th Be With You collaboration. Join us as we thank and inspire a new generation of artists, thinkers, tinkerers, engineers, and maybe even a scientist or two. As we reflect back over past years, let it be a reminder of how the Force binds us together across galaxies, generations, and even collaborations. So get your lightsabers ready and let's embark on a journey through the heart of the Force. 23 remarkable YouTube creators, each channeling their unique connections to Star Wars universe. Some may have preceded me, and subsequently you will find more. If by chance you miss any, please find the links in my description below to each playlist. We have something for every fan, young and old, so please join us as we ignite our imaginations and celebrate the spirit of adventure that defines the Star Wars saga. May our shining stars guide your path, illuminating each of the way with wonder and inspiration. May your adventures be filled with creativity, joy, and discovery. May the Force be with you. May the 4th be with you. Let me begin my artistic piece of my journey today. Let me set the background for you. The landscape is Tatooine, the home world to Anakin and Luke Skywalker. It's a desert planet with 2 suns. R2D2, our resourceful and brave droid, utilized with a wide range of functions, including repairing starships and interfacing with computers, most known for showing the hologram of Princess Leia, asking Obi-Wan Kenobi for help. CP3O, designed as a protocol droid intended to assist in etiquette, customs, and translation, always boasting how fluent he was in 6 million forms of communication. He spoke with a British accent. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And we have all the items I think that I'm going to need right in front of me today. I'll be using my J. Diction UV Resin clear. I will be using colored diamond glitter UV Resin, and this is from Lightwish. I'm going to go off the beaten path here, and instead of using resin to begin with, I'm going to be using a little gallery glass leading. And I bought this, but then after I bought that, I found that they already had lines made. So I'm going to be trying that out because these come right out, as you can see here. See that? So, and there's glue on the back of that, and that may help me make this, put this picture onto this round, as you can see here. And I'm going to open that in front of you. I got this at Michael's, and I'm going to open this up right now. And as we go along, you're going to find up in the corner some of my favorite quotes from Star Wars, and that would be all of the movies. So intermittently, you will find that either on the left or the right. So I hope you enjoy each and every one of them. This I got from, I forgot the name of the company, but I will put it, I'll put it above and I will put it down below. And I purchased this, I did purchase the image. So, and I was able to, it did come a little bigger, but I was able to make it a little smaller in my printer. I think I would like it just around that size. And let's see how this letting goes, if this is good enough or not. This will work. So I'm gonna try using this to go around the circle first. Whoop. Yeah, this might. As you can see, every once in a while I got a little fickle, and I kept changing my mind how I was going to do this. But eventually I got the hang of it, and I know if next time I use this glass letting, I'll just go one straight line. I won't go in between. like. Well, how beautiful is that? How pretty. Look at that. So, we have this way. I'm going to put clear resin on top of this. Look how shiny and pretty that is. And all of this out of the way. Okay, mix a small part of my resin, and I am going to put it on this side. This is the side where my UV resin is. As I reach the conclusion of my art piece today for this May the 4th collaboration, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to the other 22 content creators who have breathed their creativity and love into each project. To our viewers, your support and enthusiasm is our driving force. And to our loyal subscribers who have stood by us through light speed jumps and asteroid fields, thank you for being the backbone of our community. Your continued support and encouragement inspire us, and we are endlessly grateful for your presence in our galaxy. As I finish here today, my small portion of this May the 4th collaboration, let us carry the spirit of unity, adventure, and hope with us always. Together we are bound by the Force, and together we will continue to explore the vast reaches of imagination and creativity. I hope you enjoyed what I contributed to this May the 4th collaboration. I consider myself honored to be amongst the 22 others who have worked endlessly and worked many hours on their pieces, and I really appreciate each and every one of them. So a big thank you to Michelle from Royal River Art, who introduced me yesterday, and sending you off to the morning pour with Holly, an amazing artist. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. May the Force be with you today, tomorrow, and in all the adventures yet to come, until we meet again in a galaxy far, far away. The Morning Pour by Holly, next.